Hey guys, what's it going? It's your boy Ricky here. I got this go-kart right here, okay? I think you guys can see it. Yeah, you guys can see it, okay? But this ain't the main video I'm gonna be talking about. Go around, yeah. Well, you guys know the free cat video, right? Come down to my world, you guys get a free cat. Yeah. Well, that cat, apparently she came up dead, and all this right here is her. And yeah. Okay, back to the go-kart. Um, I'm not sad about it. I know it's gonna happen, but okay, back to this go-kart, boys. It goes like 50 miles. This is a beast. Warning, don't do this shit. Um, it has LED lights. I put these on here. Alright, there it goes. Well, I don't